Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to set up an Ethernet IP slave connection on a Schneider M241 PLC. In Machine Expert, we want to add a new Ethernet IP adapter device. If we then click on the Ethernet IP tab, we can see how the I/O mapping is configured. That's basically how easy it is to set the PLC up as an Ethernet device. In TIA Portal, I already set up a Ethernet IP master program to a Siemens S7-1200 PLC. If you want to know how to program that, you can check out my tutorial for that on my channel. I will leave a link in the description. I will now test the connection out. If I now type some values on my output side of the Schneider PLC, my Siemens PLC will read its values. And when I set some value on my output side of the Siemens PLC, my Schneider PLC will receive the values. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.